Okay, we're gonna pour some stuff in here real quick. So you're gonna try to make a little homemade what's it called? Volcano. Ready? Pour a little bit at a time. Ready? Pour. Go. Ready?
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe we gotta mix it a little bit. Let me get more. See if we had it in a volcano setting, it will come all up. And plus, it's not. That's
It's a volcano.
Yeah, it's got a whole bunch at the bottom. Eh?
Mix
Ready?
it
Pour
up.
a bit more. Ready? See if it goes. Pour some. Here we go.
Oh.
No more. Okay, that's it. We're gonna waste all my stuff.
Making a potion. I'm gonna make another potion.
Here, guys. You're scared. Johnny.
Now she's closing it.
Mixy, mixy.
See, we found the remote for the TV, Mir. So we add it. You don't know how to add it? Just say so. I'll get somebody else.
Now what are you gonna add more?
Don't only add this. Add this now.
Oh, look at that. That looks crazy.
Next.
Looks so cool.
Oh my god, I'm better than this. Okay. Doing this, guys.
Here, get me one. Now you're gonna add baking soda.
No, not a lot.
Mixy.
I'll pull this, guys. So I'm done with this. And then I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do this when I'm done with this and this and this and this and I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
Put in this, guys. I put in this. I'm putting in this to just let you know. A little bit. But not so hot. When this one's a different than I did this. Just to let you know. I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna open this.
Paprika. I'm just joking. You're gonna do the color red?
Because it looks like blood. What? I'm sure this is red. No, this is black.
That's green.
I mean, that's green. That's green. That's green. I didn't read that. I don't know how to read. What is this?
I don't know. Like, these are ruined. That's red.
That's what?
Yes.
Okay, I'm doing red, guys. Don't make fun of me. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Get in there.
I don't think it's going that much. It's okay.
Okay, one more thing.
Good,
Oh,
that's
it's coming. It's coming. It's coming, guys. Like this. I'm gonna mix it up.
Oh, I can see it turn a little bit red.
Ooh, this looks good. Nice, guys. This looks nice, guys. I'm using red. Like and subscribe if you like it. It's a potion. I'm making a red potion. why I'm using red? Because it looks like blood. But I'm not actually using that. I'm gonna make you more red then. I'm making them more red, guys. Bye, guys. That's all we have today. Make sure you get all of these, because these are the best.
Buy it?
At McDonald's, in the toy box. There's a little box inside. The flamingos in there. Sprite. Better like and subscribe. Bye, guys.